Wall module function introduction, wall opening. Note, when using beam editing functions, beam lines must be placed on either the wall or wall BR layer. Open hole in walls. This command is used to automatically create openings in walls. Click the Open Hole in Walls function. Enter the width of the hole. Choose whether to draw a coupling beam. Enter the hole name and text height. Insertion method, choose center insertion or enter the distance from the hole center to the axis. After all parameters are set, click OK. Left-click on one edge of the shear wall where the hole is required. Open hole in walls completed. Delete hole. This command deletes wall holes and restores the wall lines. Click the Delete Hole function. Select the hole to delete. Hole deletion completed. Move hole. This command is used to move an hole that has already been placed in a wall. Click the Move Hole function. Select the hole to be moved. Select the base point where the hole is copied and then specify the new insertion point. Hole move completed. Copy hole. This command is used to copy an existing wall opening to a new location. Click the Copy Hole function. Select the hole to be copied. Select the base point where the hole is copied and then specify the new insertion point. Hole copy completed. Widen hole. This command is used to modify the width of an existing wall hole. Click the Widen Hole function. Select the hole to change the width. Enter a new opening width. The hole will be enlarged or reduced with its center as the base point. Wall lines will automatically adjust accordingly. Hole width modification completed. Widen hole on one side. This command is used to modify the width of an existing wall hole. Click the Widen Hole on one side function. Select the hole to change the width. Enter the change width of the side. Hole width adjustment on one side completed. Hole dashed switch. This command switches the hole outline between dashed and solid line types. Click the Hole dashed switch function. Select the hole to switch between dashed and solid outline. Click on the dashed or solid line of one side of the hole. Hole line type switch completed. Hole name visibility. This command switches the visibility of the hole name. Click the Hole name visibility function. Select the hole names to be hidden or displayed. Run the command again to display the hole name. Seal wall ends. This command automatically caps the unclosed ends of shear walls. Click the Seal wall ends function. Select the wall line to seal. Wall end capping completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.